Hello everyone, and welcome to this new video. Today, let's take a look at how to migrate from Obsidian to Joplin by easily importing your notes. To get started, you first need to install the Markdown export plugin in Obsidian. You can find it in the Obsidian plugin library. Once installed and activated, open your Notes menu, right-click on your folder, and select Export to Markdown. This will generate a folder named Output inside your Vault's local directory. Now that your export is ready, it's time to import your notes into Joplin. Open Joplin, go to the File menu, click on Import, then select Markdown Directory. Choose the output folder you just created, and Joplin will automatically import your notes while preserving their content and formatting. One thing to note is that the links between your notes won't be maintained during the import. To fix this, you simply need to remove the old Obsidian link format. Then, right-click on the target note in Joplin, copy its Markdown link, and paste it into the appropriate place in your source note. That's it. Now your notes are fully transferred to Joplin. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. In the next video, we'll introduce the Joplin Graph plugin, which will allow you to visualize your connected notes in a graph view, just like in Obsidian. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.